Step deep into the heart of the wild and witness an incredible cultural moment. The Hadzabe tribe tries a protein shake for the very first time. This isn't just a taste test, it's a meeting of worlds, a moment where ancient traditions collide with modern life. From the very first sip, the Hadzabe people display genuine curiosity, surprise, and laughter, giving us a glimpse into their unfiltered, authentic reactions to something completely foreign in their everyday lives. Every expression tells a story. From cautious tasting to moments of sheer delight, their faces reflect the pure, universal human experience of trying something new. Watch as their initial confusion slowly turns into joy, laughter, and even playful experimentation. This video captures a rare blend of humor, cultural insight, and human connection, showing how even a simple protein shake can become a bridge between worlds. The Hadzabe tribe is one of the last remaining hunter-gatherer communities living in harmony with nature and preserving ways of life that have existed for thousands of years. Seeing them interact with a modern manufactured drink provides a unique perspective on culture, curiosity, and adaptation. Their reactions are not only funny, they are enlightening, showing us how tradition and novelty can meet in the most heartwarming and genuine ways. Whether you're passionate about wildlife, fascinated by tribal culture, or simply love funny, unexpected reactions, this video has something for everyone. Laugh, smile, and be inspired by the way this incredible community engages with the modern world while staying rooted in their ancestral traditions. Every sip, every reaction, and every laugh is a reminder of the universal joy of discovery. This is more than entertainment, it's a celebration of human curiosity, culture, and connection. Don't miss a single moment of this unforgettable experience. Share it with friends and family, comment on your favorite reactions, and let yourself be amazed by the humor, warmth, and authenticity of the Hadzabe tribe. Even stronger. The panda, now full and content, lays down on the ground beside the fire, its large body seeming almost too large to fit into the small circle. But there it is, perfectly at home, surrounded by the warmth of the tribe, its gentle presence soothing the energy of the evening. The night stretches on, and the stars above, the same stars that have watched over the Hadza for centuries, witness a rare moment of unity between two worlds that, on the surface, should never have crossed paths. But in the space of that single evening, it doesn't matter. What matters is that the fire burns brightly, the food is shared, and perhaps most importantly, the connection between the panda and the Hadza is undeniable. It's a reminder that despite the vast differences between them, all living things are bound by a simple truth. We are all part of this world, and when we come together, whether as strangers or as family, we create something truly magical. The last embers of the fire fade into the cool night air, and the panda, now resting peacefully, watches as the tribe settles into their own rest. The day may end, but the memory of this rare meeting will live on in the stories that are passed down, another chapter added to the ongoing saga of the world's mysteries and the unexpected moments that remind us of the beauty of connection.
The forest awakens with sound, birds calling, leaves whispering in the wind. A small group of Hadzabe men and women walk gracefully through the lush green, their eyes scanning the trees for treasures. In their hands, baskets slowly fill with vibrant fruits glowing under the dappled sunlight. Imagine a taste untouched by time, ingredients plucked straight from nature's pantry, guided by knowledge passed down for thousands of years. The Hadzabe, one of the last true hunter-gatherer tribes on Earth, live in harmony with the land in ways most of us can only imagine. Every fruit they pick, every hive they climb, tells the story of survival and tradition woven into their daily lives. To witness their food culture is to glimpse a way of life that has nearly disappeared from the modern world. Now, step closer. The camera lingers on glistening wild honey dripping from combs, crimson forest berries shining like jewels, and roots freshly pulled from the earth. These are not ordinary ingredients, they are gifts of the wild, carefully gathered and celebrated. What follows is a culinary ritual rarely seen by outsiders, a Hadzabe recipe blending forest fruits with raw honey, simple yet profound, ancient yet alive. This is not just food, it is memory, connection, and survival preserved in taste. Prepare to witness an intimate moment with the Hadzabe tribe, a feast that carries the flavor of history itself, wide-shot, lush African forest. Sunlight cuts through the canopy. The Hadzabe walk barefoot, their movements calm but purposeful. Opening the unseen world. Imagine a taste untouched by time. Ingredients plucked straight from nature's pantry. Contextualization. Close-up, hands reaching for bright berries, children carrying woven baskets. The Hadzabe are one of the last true hunter-gatherer tribes on Earth. Their way of life, nearly unchanged for thousands of years, offers us a rare glimpse into humanity's ancient bond with nature. Building anticipation. Camera pans across a beehive in the crook of a tree. Honey drips like liquid gold. A Hadza climbs swiftly, retrieving the hive with ease. Here, food is more than survival, it is tradition. Every hunt, every harvest, every drop of honey connects them to ancestors who walked this same land. Ingredients teaser. Slow-motion shots, wild honey glistening, crimson berries tumbling into a basket, roots brushed clean against stone. Glistening wild honey, exotic berries, and fruits of the forest, simple, pure, untouched. Together, they form the foundation of a recipe as rare as the tribe who keeps it alive. The dish revealed. The Hadza gather, mixing honey with fruits. Children laugh, elders taste, sharing is central. This is not a recipe you'll find in cookbooks or kitchens. This is living heritage, a culinary tradition passed from generation to generation, kept alive through the rhythms of the forest. 210, closing reflection. Final.